Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the quick overview of the camera Pro mode on your Motorola Moto E6i. So to open the manual mode, you have to click right here, and as you can see at the bottom we can find a list of few parameters. The first one is the ISO level. We can set it up by moving slider to the left or to the right, and we can find manual adjustment and also the automatic adjustment. Next we can find exposure compensation. We can set it up between +2 and -2, and as you can see that's the parameter that we can only adjust manually. The next option is the white balance with the few presets and automatic adjustment. When you go for the upper bar we can find the flashlight, shutter delay. Right here we can activate the beauty mode, and we can just simply go to the settings by tapping on this settings icon. When you click on the screen you can also catch the focus. By clicking and holding you will also lock the focus. If you want to reset parameters, just click right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.